the biggest challenge in CTP because the time is very cruel. I have 6 months in winter during Christmas. The progress is given a good preparation before Christmas. All companies working during Christmas, prepare documentation, planning the time in manufacture hall, and now everything is made in their storages and manufacture hall. The concrete is on a final floor, and during March will be a roof, and we start immediate fit out for IBM. I know it's not look like as a typical city reception, but on the end of this project there will be a nice wooden floor, glass on wall, stainless steel turnstile, and completely new furniture from Vitra. Now we are on a second floor of new building. Behind me is a terrace. Terrace will be from a tropical wood, Masranuma, and inside will be chairs, tables, sofas, and it will be a rest area for IBM. I think it sounds as an impossible mission, but I can do my best, and on the end of this project IBM will be satisfied and CTP will have a new happy client.